Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin right in Settings. Don't waste time toggling other apps. Open Settings, scroll to Wallet and Apple Pay and tap it. Once there, make sure your cards appear under Payment Cards. You must have at least one active card. If a card is missing, add it now by tapping Add Card and following prompts. Once the card list is visible, pause and identify which card you want as default card. This will be the one used for Apple Pay in stores and online. Now you change the actual default. Tap Default Card in Wallet and Apple Pay, and you'll see a list of all added payment cards. Tap the card you want. Once selected, a checkmark appears, and that card becomes the primary payment method for NFC and online purchases. Make sure to use the correct physical card name if you have multiple similar accounts. If you use multiple currencies or regions, note which card is best for fees and rewards before finalizing your choice. Finish by testing. Double-press the side button or home on older iPhones, authenticate, and the selected card should appear first. If it doesn't, make sure Wallet shows the new default, then restart your phone. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or remove and re-add the card. Also check for iOS updates and confirm with your card issuer. Sometimes issuer restrictions or expired cards prevent being set as default. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.